Got the FJ in the garage again. We've just been doing lots of little stuff on it. Chris, we had the skid plates off of it because we had changed the serpentine belt, and you do that from the bottom. So Chris had wire wheeled all the skid plates down and repainted those. So we were all putting that all back together with Never Sees and playing with a bunch of clips. He painted the top cowl piece across the windshield. Was white originally and had turned yellow. It was really a weird thing. So repainted that, put some new clips in there, and it's time to address the headlights. You guys know that I like the Cerakote trim coat, ceramic coat products. So we've pulled the grill off rather easily off the FJ, and we are going to go ahead and do the process on those real quick, and then at the end you're going to want to wait for that because we're going to try something new-ish with the ceramic coat. Not this one, the step 3, the actual ceramic coat wipe on some brand new headlights. It's not some oxidized ones, not ones that have been refurbished, some brand spanking new ones as a protectant for, well, you guys can't see it right now, it's out there, the 4th gen. So stay tuned. Real easy process. We're gonna start by just cleaning the headlight. I've got some diluted simple grain and microfiber. We'll clean that off a little bit, and then we will jump straight into step 1. You're going to want to wear your rubber gloves. Kit comes with rubber gloves. Step 1, oxidization remover. We're going to get rid of all this kind of cataract stuff. The kit comes with, I think it's 6 of these, 3 for each headlight. And it says that you're supposed to use all of them. These are not that bad. And I'm kind of curious if maybe we can cheat the system a little bit. I don't know. We're gonna find out. I'm gonna use probably one wipe per headlight and go from there. You can feel the wipe taking off a lot of that crud. Flip it around if you need to, get a clean spot. And don't forget, we're going to clean this off with some more soapy water, and we are going to wet sand before we give the final ceramic coat protection. So some of this, you might be able to hear it on the camera. Some of that texture from the cataracts is not going to come off. Alright, I think we're going to call that one good. We're going to move to the wet sanding. We've got a, I think this is 1,000 and this is a 2,000 grit. It doesn't say, but my years and years of experience lead me to believe that. And then we have just some soapy water to act as a lubricant. Don't feel like you have to use the palm sander, and keep that nice and wet to wash away the impurities that you're sanding off. Hear that now?
Yeah, it's just sliding.
Yeah.
It's smooth now. They were real rough at first.
Yep.
Shoot.
Actually, this kit, I was actually really surprised at how well it worked. Final step, the ceramic clear coat to, now when you're doing this, don't freak out when you dry your headlight that it's all hazy after you've sanded it. It's supposed to look like that. I freaked out the first time as well. This is going to clear all of that up, get it looking as close to new as possible, and it's going to protect it. One wipe each way, all the way down. One last note, remember this is not a cure-all. If your headlights are to the point where you need to restore them, there's probably going to be some damage on the back side of the lens as well, and inside the plastic as well too. This obviously is just going to work on the outside, but as you can see, big difference. Well, as you can see, the Cerakote Headlight Restoration Kit really does work, and I really genuinely believe in the product. I've had fantastic results with it. You can't beat the price and all the stuff that it comes with. I will link it down below. You can get over on Amazon, free Prime shipping, and definitely give it a shot. Now, I know I said we were gonna do some stuff with the 4Runner, also with headlights and Cerakote in this video, but it ended up it was gonna be way too long of a video. So I'm gonna keep filming, and you'll see that video come out next week where we're gonna be using part of the Cerakote product on some headlights, not these headlights, where we're gonna hopefully do some preventative protection and kind of give the whole front end of the 4th gen a facelift, if you will, make it look a little bit brighter, a little bit shinier, and a little bit newer. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you'll see whenever I'm dropping videos every Sunday. Follow the links down below to follow me along on Instagram and Facebook. Comments, of course, are more than welcome. In fact, they're recommended down below. Email me, hawkeyeskunkworks@gmail.com for any more in-depth conversations or questions. And until next time, until next Sunday, thank you for watching. Take care. Goodbye.